and welcome to this third tutorial of using 25 Live here at Moravian College. So in this tutorial I wanted to focus specifically on how to request media services, otherwise known as audiovisual services, for your event. Now, when we moved to 25 Live as our master calendar system, the media services process changed in that we fully integrated with 25 Live and we are now tied to a room reservation. So as you're reserving your room and thinking about your event, if you know that you're going to need some media services support, you're going to want to select media services on the requirements page in the scheduling wizard. You can use the comments box to give us a basic understanding of what you're looking to do. Keep in mind that we don't need you to get highly specific or list off equipment. You can be as simple as the space is Prosser Auditorium and I'm showing a presentation. And just that simple statement of I'm showing a presentation will let the media services team know our starting point, and someone will reach out to you and ask you a few more details, and they'll walk you through some basics of what you might need to know about showing a presentation in the space that you've requested, or whatever it is you tell us you're looking to do, someone will reach out and make sure that you're able to do it. And that is how you request media services now that we have integrated into 25 Live.